In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a chart from Excel. If you've already created a chart in Excel and want to print just that chart without printing the entire worksheet, the process is very simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can make sure your chart is selected correctly and ready to print exactly the way you want. Start by opening your Excel workbook and make sure it contains the chart you want to print. Once the file is open, locate the chart on your worksheet. This is important because Excel can print different things depending on what is selected, so you'll want to confirm that the chart itself is the active selection before moving on. Next, click on the chart you want to print. When the chart is selected, Excel recognizes that you want to work with that specific object instead of the full spreadsheet. This step helps ensure that only the chart is sent to the printer, which is especially useful if your worksheet contains lots of data, but you only need the visual. After selecting the chart, go to the File tab in Excel. This opens the Backstage view where you'll find options for saving, sharing, and printing your workbook. From the menu on the left-hand side, choose Print. Once you're in the print screen, look under the Settings section. Here you should verify that Excel shows Print Selected Chart. This is the key detail to check because it confirms that the program is set to print only the chart you clicked on earlier. If you don't see that option displayed, it may mean the chart was not selected before entering the print menu, so you may need to go back and click the chart again. Now choose your printer and adjust any print settings as needed. For example, you may want to review paper size, orientation, or other printer preferences depending on how large your chart is and how you want it to appear on the page. Taking a quick look at the print preview can also help you confirm that the chart fits well and looks clean before printing. When everything looks right, click Print. Excel will then send the selected chart to your printer. And that's it. That's how to print a chart from Excel. Once you know where to look, it's a quick process and a helpful way to print only the visual you need without extra worksheet content.